Hi, this is Vanessa, and in today's quick tutorial I am going to show you how to work the cable cast-on method. You need your needles and some yarn, and you'll start with a slip knot. Okay, place it on your needle, tighten that a little bit, and now grab your other needle and you want to insert your needle as if you're knitting. So right through that stitch right there, okay. Wrap your yarn, your working yarn, around your needle, pull it through. Okay, now you want to pull that stitch back and then bring it over here to the right. And then with your left hand needle, you want to go behind this stitch so that you're placing the yarn on the stitch. Before you tighten, stick your needle in here in between the stitch. You're not going in the front loop as if to knit anymore. You're going in between the two stitches. Okay, then you can tighten, because I was having a lot of trouble the first few times I did it because it was too tight for me to get my needle in there. So wrap your yarn around your needle, bring it back, and then pull it back. Swing it over here, and from behind with your left hand needle go through that loop, and then basically you're putting the loop on the left hand needle. Again, I want to put this through the last two stitches and then tighten it. Okay, so now I'm already set up for the next stitch. Wrap your yarn, pull it through, pull it back a little, and then place it on your needle. Okay, now if you didn't stick this in before you tighten this, this would be your step, is to insert the needle through, so it gets a little tight, through the last two stitches. Wrap your yarn, and then you pull it through. And then tug it and place it on your left hand needle. Okay, so for continental knitters, you just pull that through, pull it out, and place it on. Okay, so you would just do it a little different, but this is how I knit, so this is much more comfortable for me. Okay, so then you just would knit, or excuse me, would cast on as many stitches as you need according to the pattern or whatever you're making. Okay. Okay, so that's how you work a cable cast on. So I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 stitches, and this is what the bottom looks like. Okay. All right. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like the video and don't forget to subscribe.